How does Tag EAM enable employees to work faster and smarter? Let's look at how the daily workflow of Javier, a maintenance technician, is managed in Tag Portal. Working from a tablet or laptop, Javier logs in and gets an overview of his tasks, assigned requests, statistics, and daily workload from the dashboard. The Quick Start box at the top left corner is a simplified way for Javier to report data on maintenance tasks. Under Scheduled Tasks, Javier sees the list of tasks his manager has assigned to him. Under Unscheduled Tasks, Javier can see all tasks that aren't assigned to a specific technician and which are lower priority. He can complete them when he'll choose to. Instead of using the upcoming tasks functionality from the dashboard, Javier can use the Schedule tool from the main menu to get a more graphic and detailed overview of his tasks on different calendar views. Work orders are color-coded by priority and can be filtered by maintenance type. When Javier clicks on a task, he gets detailed information on the right side. He refers to the attached procedure to help him complete his task. When completed, Javier hits the Report Maintenance button and can report time, feedback, attachments, and consumptions. Javier is then notified the report information was successfully added. While completing his task, Javier discovers that one of the machines in the facility is not functioning as expected, so he creates a maintenance request right away. From the equipment list, he applies filters to quickly find the machine. Filters can be geographical locations, such as production lines, or attributes, such as equipment groups. Javier enters details on the breakdown, including a description, problem code, deadline, and attachment, and then submits. Success! The request is now on its way to his manager for approval.